If you're considering Htop for your server monitoring, there are 7 things you need to know before making the purchase. This tool is a favorite for many IT professionals, but does it live up to the hype? Stick around to the end and you'll know exactly whether it's the right choice for you, especially when you compare it to similar alternatives on the market. First off, Htop is one of the most intuitive tools out there for monitoring system resources. It's essentially an enhanced version of the classic top command, but with an interactive, user-friendly interface. While competitors like Glances or the default top command offer similar functionality, Htop takes it to another level with color coding and a tree-like structure for processes, making it visually easier to identify issues in your system. Next thing to consider is the installation process. Htop is incredibly lightweight and simple to install across multiple Linux distributions, making it a great choice for quick deployment. Unlike other tools that may require additional dependencies or configurations, Htop can be up and running in a matter of minutes. This is a huge plus if you need to monitor multiple machines in a short amount of time. However, tools like Glances may offer more advanced features with additional setup, but they come at the cost of being slightly more complex. The third thing to keep in mind is the customization options within Htop. Htop shines in its flexibility. You can customize everything from the display options to the columns you want visible. This level of personalization allows you to get exactly the data you need without unnecessary clutter. Competitors like Glances provide some customization, but Htop gives you a bit more control and finer detail in its configuration. It's a perfect tool for those who want to dive deep into performance metrics and tweak the layout to match their preferences. Now let's talk about resource usage. Htop is known for being incredibly efficient in how it handles resources. It gives you a real-time snapshot without overloading your system. This is particularly important if you're running multiple processes or dealing with low-resource environments. Alternatives like Glances are a bit more resource-heavy, though they do offer additional functionality. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-performance monitoring tool, Htop is often the better option. The fifth thing you should know is that Htop supports a variety of platforms. While it's most commonly used on Linux, it's also available for macOS and even Windows via WSL. This versatility is something that competitors like Glances don't always offer, as their compatibility can be more limited. If you work in a cross-platform environment, Htop gives you a consistent experience, whether you're on Linux or macOS. The sixth thing you need to know is Htop's community and support. Because it's open source, there's a large and active community behind it. You can find plenty of resources online: forums, tutorials, and documentation. This is a significant advantage over some proprietary tools that might come with better customer service but at the cost of an active user base. Htop's community-driven support means you can usually find solutions to any problems quickly. Finally, Htop's real-time process monitoring is its crowning feature. Unlike competitors that might focus solely on CPU or memory usage, Htop provides a detailed view of running processes, allowing you to easily kill processes, change priorities, and sort by various metrics. If you're managing complex server environments, this kind of control can be a lifesaver. Tools like Glances or system monitors may give you an overview, but they don't match Htop when it comes to real-time, actionable insights. If you're considering giving Htop a try, you can get the best deal by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best free trial for the software, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on a more efficient way to monitor your system. Check out Htop and see how it can make your workflow smoother.